Audio Jungle.
What's up, guys? Today, we are going to talk about some unusual and bizarre facts about Android that will leave you surprised. So, let's get started. Fact 1. Do you know that the first version of Android wasn't actually named after any sweet treat, like jelly bean or ice cream sandwich? In fact, it was named Astro Boy, a popular Japanese animation character. Fact number 2. Have you ever wondered what is the significance of the Android logo? Well, the Android logo is actually a robot, and its antenna is shaped like a smiley face, indicating the friendly nature of this OS. Fact number 3. Did you know that Android was initially developed just for cameras and not for mobile phones? However, due to its customizable nature, it became one of the most popular mobile OS in the world. Fact number 4. This one is pretty weird, but there's an Android app called I Am Richer Than You that costs a whopping $200. The only function of this app is to show the world that the person who bought it is rich. Fact number 5. Android has a built-in feature called Easter egg, which is a hidden game or image that can be accessed by performing certain tasks or inputting certain codes. Some of the popular Easter eggs in Android include the Android Nougat's cat collecting game or the Android KitKat's trombone animation. Fact number 6. The word Android comes from the Greek word ander, meaning man, and the suffix oid, meaning having the appearance of. This is because Android is designed to have a human-like interface. Fact number 7. Android is an open-source platform, which means that anyone can access and modify its source code. This has led to the development of numerous customized versions of Android, known as ROMs. Fact number 8. Did you know that Android versions are named after tasty treats? It's true. Google has been keeping up with this naming convention since Android 1.5 Cupcake, and it has continued with every new version release. Some of the quirky names include Donut, Eclair, Gingerbread, KitKat, and the most recent, Android 11 or R, which has been dubbed as Ripple. We can only wonder what treat they'll choose for future versions. Fact number 9. The name Android was actually derived from a company called Android Inc. That company's executives initially developed Android, and it was designed to be a mobile operating system for digital cameras. Later, Google acquired Android Inc. and developed it into the mobile OS we know today. Fact number 10. One of the most recognizable things about Android is the green robot logo. But did you know that the robot has a name? It's Bug Droid. This lovable little mascot has been around since the early days of Android and has become a symbol of the brand.